What? Other world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what's going on when I come for represent. Full effecting man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion but ya. Watch me man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza's favorite, most definitely. Watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Here nation people, who don't know it can't get no more electrified than this. Hear me. Who don't know say Vybz Kartel flap such child, aka Alkaline. You know see Vybz Kartel flap him and big up mavado. Remember this nation people. Any seed where you sow, that you go reap, Remember him, forward out for interview, as a young artist, might get look at highlight and show off. And go like him now acknowledge Vybz Kartel, the master of ceremony. See now, Anthony Miller asked Vybz Kartel about him, and Vybz Kartel deal with him like, well then, yo, him not even relevant in a dancehall no time at all. The G say him is a good water and that's all about it. So people are saying him a water buckle. It look like him is a nipple buckle to me. No joke shit no dead about it, no gimmicks thing no in it. You see what I say? Because this are the thing what them do. Act like them no respect elders in a dancehall. Act like them no respect the people them who set it so them can even forward and even inherit peace side. Bite off the whole of the G style, bust in a music and a show off himself like him now acknowledge the G. Take up the G talk, run with the vendetta thing, where him know say the engineer down a Dan Corleone his student name, so that's why Vybz Kartel as we call out the man name and not big him up. And Vybz Kartel tell the same Anthony Miller there, say yo, a two thing left him doing a dance hall, I put in contact lens and harass him here, And two Vybz Kartel go to prison, him run go do both of them, And I go like a theme idea, Him take every picture like the man. Yes, you hear me I say, in chat, every chat where the man make and slang. Vybz Kartel say, big pussy girl. Oh yeah, answer you, I'm going to kick in your face when time I see you. And him take where the song go run I say the same shit like him know nothing about them things that are incorrect and then still act like him now acknowledge the G. Every pose where the G pose and take picture, him have a picture like that. You see what I say? Yeah, and I try to go like him, can't sidestep that. Look how the G deal with him, my brother. The G make him look like I don't even know right now, To the G deal with him, my brother. Him can't even drop at this song, Nah, a song for say, well, then him a throw words at the G, Because if him do that and the G don't look on him career flop, You hear me I tell you, The G flap him and big up mavado. You know why? Because him not big like mavado. So the G make Anthony Miller know in so many words, like, yo, don't ever call this guy name to me. This guy is not in a no level where I'm concerned. He's not even my rival. Big up my father. This guy is just a look of water bucket. You see what I say? No joke shit not there about it, and a gimmicks thing not in it. Remember, you know, the vendetta boy, them a hype him up, you know, and people are hype him up because them lock up Vybz Kartel, you know. And I talk about, you know, him are the next big thing, you know. Him a come to take over, you know. Then claims say from 2016, him are the new take over. Right now, people, believe me. We are going at 2025 right now. You know how long we are wait? All know global being can't arrive. You think I lie? No gimmicks thing not in a make him no lollipop thing not in a it the way how me I represent. Him still local. Him there in a dancehall too long for can make a global mark. You see what I say? And him want run up him out like a bad artist. Use a local artist, my brother. You see me? Use a local star. You never reach superstar status yet. Vybz Kartel a mega star. You hear that? Yeah, I mean one on a look at Jack strap sniffers. Yo, stop hype up him name. I best if you not tell him say work on your craft so you can be professional and bad at it. You see what I say? Work in the stage because you know work the stage so wonderfully. You see what I say? No lollipop thing not in it. You know what I mean? Change up your flow. Work with what go on out there. You know what I mean? Yeah, and no joke thing not in it. And try to invent some style of your own and craft. You don't have that, my brother. You don't that versatile. You're just a good artist and that's about it. You know what I mean? No else not there. Just like what Vybz Kartel and make you know you're just a good water. Yeah. For real. You don't have nothing more than about it, my brother. You know, move the jar and nowhere at all where you come see it. I be a chatting you don't have, you see me? I want to live off of people hype. And then act like, well, then you know, acknowledge the people who set it. You see what I deal with? And then while like you know, want to play some anti-social game that no work in a dancehall no more. Vybz Kartel kick with that. You hear that? So let me tell you something. You see coming this new year, my brethren, you see if you can't find song where you shake up the place and show the place how is my brother. Oh my, I'm sorry. You hear that, Harry? Because guess what I go on? Vybz Kartel ain't looking at you. Him already state that already. And the G still not have no grudge. Because guess what? You're apprentice to the G. So the G don't have to look your way. Yeah, the G don't big up Mavado. That was his rival. You are not. You see what I say? You never kill nothing in a dancehall yet. You see what I say? You're afraid to go up on dancehall stage, go contest a man in front dancehall audience. You're afraid to do that. But you run, make that clash for run on the internet. Internet can't run clash, my brother. It only can hype it up and that's an internet thing. You have to take it physically on the ground. You're afraid for clashing nobody on the stage. It have never been done yet. So you can't have a mix up yourself like you're not a bad artist. No. Use an internet artist, start the truth. And they say you create more so your impact. No lollipop thing in it. Create some impact in a real dancehall. Do it physically. You cannot want to say, well then, you're the man, and you cannot do that. No work, no lollipop thing in it. Right now, the people them in a dancehall, they're very sure. If you can't stand up on your foot properly if you go up on a stage with somebody, people think say you got chimble till you drop down. That's how coward people have you. You see what I say? I'm not wrong them because you never do it yet. You never do nothing for nice up the genre dancehall yet. All people are talking about yet this and that. You're just an internet artist, my brother. The things them where you create upon the internet, it don't go. Is it included the thief, the man idea where the man I tell you about contact lens and rashy here, included that. Remember that you put in, forget highlight and the internet run with it. Remember the contact lens business. And you tell the people, you tell Winford Williams lie, say well then, you bring in surgeon from America for putting the tattoo in your eye. Surgeon there with the tattoo specialist for put tattoo in your eye. You forgot? Eh? Right now, my brother, are the wickedest thing me ever see. Vybz are the wickedest kill me ever see Vybz Kartel go for. You hear that? The man kill him without even do a song. Him dead. Him dead. The man flap him and big up mavado. You see what I say? No joke shit not there about it. And still don't have no grudge against him because he's nothing to Vybz Kartel compared to Vybz Kartel when they come on to dance all music. You see what I say? Me no know what to blood clot. Such style flap as fuck. You better rewind and forward again. This new year with brand new style, a wicked song for shake up the internet, cause if you can't do that, sorry, you hear that? And the general, the 10-star one I represent. Big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment. Big up Federal Gaza. Big up the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Jungle, Arnett Garden, Rima, the whole of Garden. You don't know the badness going on Waterford. The world boss touch the road and they clip them load. And music video galore. What? Hey, man. And the general, the 10-star one. Oh.